Hello, and welcome to 3D modeling for 3D printing. In today's episode, we'll be modeling a 3D printable mug. Let's get started. So this is our end product right here. This 3D printable mug. Now this mug is 5 inches high by 3 inches in diameter. So we're going to make a mug just like this, so we can practice making 3D models according to designs we need. Let's do it. So, first let's start off by getting this out of the way. Alright, now we have a clean area to work. So, we're going to start off by drawing a circle. And let's draw it out to be 3 inches in diameter. So, you're going to type 1.5 and then the inch symbol. Click enter. And now we're going to click this tool at the top called the push pull tool. We're going to click, drag down, then type 1/4 and then the inch symbol. Click enter. Now we're going to click the circle tool. We're going to go to the center of our circle we already have drawn. Click out and drag out, and now we're going to type 1.25 inches. Click enter, and this will give us a 1/4 inch outer edge, if you will, on the mug. So now we go up to our push pull tool again, click this outer edge we just created, drag it up, and now click 4.75 and then the inch symbol. Click enter. That's the body of our mug. Nice and simple. So now we're going to click the pencil tool right here. Click an edge. Go out. Click. And now we're going to go up to here. Click the arch tool. This one right here at the top. No, sorry, this one right here at the bottom that says 2-point arch. It's also the letter A key for the hotkey. Click here. Click the down arrow. Once you click this point, you click the down arrow so it locks just to only going straight up and down. Now that you click that, type 4.5 and then the inch symbol. Click enter. Now it should look like this. Now drag it out so it's red like mine. And now type 1 inch. So type 1 and then the inch symbol, which is quotation. Click enter. And now click the circle tool at the top right here. Go over to this point, click it, drag out. Now type 1/8 and then the inch symbol. Click enter. Now go to the select tool right here. Double click that circle you just drawn. Go up to tools menu right here. Scroll down till you get to the follow me tool. Click that. Now click this shape. And move your cursor along that arch you just drawn. Just like this. Now click right to when you get to the bottom. Just like that. Now we have our handle. Go up to here, to the eraser tool. Click right, erase this line. Now go up to the select tool. Click and drag so you get a box and you can select the whole handle. Now go up to the move tool. Click. Click the handle. And drag it in. It's easiest if it says on the red axis in this example. And then just put it inside of the mug. Now, you can put it right in here if you want it right here at this position. But in this case, I'm going to click escape. And first I'm going to click the handle and I'm going to bring it down a little bit because I like it a little lower. The blue axis is the up and down axis. So you just bring it down to a position that you think looks about good on the mug. Right about here looks good to me. So I'm going to click. Now I'm going to click again on the handle and just drag it in. And in our case, it's easiest if it's on the red axis, like it says right there. Now just drag it in. If you want to lock to the red axis, just click the right arrow. The right arrow key. And now just click an edge on your mug. And there it is. There's your handle. Now it's on our mug. Looks great. In our case, the handle didn't come through the mug. But for some of you, the handle might come through the mug. So I'm going to show you guys what to do there. So if your handle comes through the mug like this, for example, all you have to do is go up to here, click your select tool, double click on the handle, click intersect faces, and then click this width model on the side. There you go. See how I just turned that black? Now just double click that, click delete, and go over to your eraser tool. Erase these extra lines. There you go. Now just do that for both sides of your mug that are coming into your cup here. Yeah, basically you get the point. It's just like at the top here. Now it's all clean. Look on the side. There's your beautiful handle right there. So I'm going to click undo, guys, because I want to get back to where I was before I showed that. Alright, I'm just going to get back to where I was. So I'm just going to do the same thing I did, where I just click the handle and drag it in. You guys don't have to repeat this step. I'm just doing it to get back to where I was. Alright, so now we have our handle and everything's on here. Our mug's done. So we can put the paint on if we want. You know what, let's slap some paint on there. What do you guys think? Let's just use the same color scheme as before. Blue. And here's a nice little, here's the tip, guys. If you want to select the color you already have, you can go right here to your bucket tool. This is how you get your colors palette open. You click right here, this little eyedropper tool. Click it. It's for sampling paint. You can copy a color and put it and use it again. So you click right here. In my case, I'm going to click right here so I can copy this color. I'm going to use it over here on a new mug. Bang! It's that simple. Just color it up a little bit. And we're done. Alright guys, there you have it. We just 3D modeled a mug. And you guys can 3D print this right out. Now, when you build things in SketchUp, they save as .skp files. In order to 3D print, as you guys know, we need an STL file. So, in my case, I'm going to click this Export to Raw STL button. Yeah, and you guys, that's how I get my STLs. You can just save them as you like. Just do the normal procedure. Once you get them saved and as normal, you just convert them to G-code and click print. Now, for those of you guys who don't know how to get STLs out of SketchUp, I'll be covering that in a later video. So make sure to stop by and watch that video on how to do that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a great time making it. To stay updated on upcoming events, including the release of the all-new Octo3D printer, sign up with the link in the description. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to share this with your friends. This is Sam from Octo3D. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy printing.